Today I'm working on one of my strange birds, number 14 out of 15, and this one I think will be pink because it's been a while since I did a pink one. Some color here and there. Places that the bird is dark otherwise. There's one little white spot, this bird, and that's on the neck. This is just the base layer of color. I wet the paper beforehand so it's spreading. I think I'm going to stop it from spreading outside the bird this time. This is a bird who you can find in Norway and who really likes water. If you're a Norwegian, you know what it is. It's the national bird for Norway. Now, I'm not Norwegian, but I have a Norwegian husband, so he told me that. Well, that's the first layer, and that's going to have to dry before I continue. And we'll see how this turns out in the end. Okay, I forgot to turn the camera on while I did the next layer. That's what happens when you're thinking about 1,000 things at once. I'll see if I can put some color on the water. I don't want it to be too bright or colorful. It's just meant to hint at water, since this bird loves water so much. Soften up the edges a little bit. Using a bluish green here. It'll dry a lot lighter than this. But it also helps you see what I'm doing. There. And then I'm going to put the final color spots on the bird. We have a wing coming here. I need some dark under here. Wonder if I'm going to add another color somewhere. Might add a little bit of that blue just under the belly. And then, of course, once everything is dry, I will be adding marker as I've done to the other 13 birds that I've done so far. I'll see if I can add that to video as well. But that will have to wait until tomorrow. So this is totally bone dry, and I don't create problems for myself. All wet, so it's a bit bubbly, but I guess you can see that it's a bird.